Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, March 13th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today. Today is an early dismissal day at 1:05, so hopefully you told your parents or guardians or relatives to make sure that you're picked up at 1:05 today. Also, for our March birthdays today, we had Josiah Phillips, so happy birthday, Josiah. Hope you have a great day. Lunch choices today, we have cheese quesadilla, chicken patty sandwich, and Italian sub. And it is also Lucky Tray Day. And for our pause today, we have 4th grade, who will be talking about a variety of different things with pause.
All right, for our pause today, then we have some 4th grade students to talk about a variety of different things with pause for today. And we're going to start out with Taylor.
Be nice to others, be nice to others, and don't bully.
Autumn. Joel?
No stepping on the ice.
Samaje?
Be kind to others.
Those are all good things. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great day. Remember, early dismissal day, dismissal's at 1:05, so make some great choices in your short time here at school today.